Health and safety for students. Health and safety are important in every learning environment, ensuring students stay safe, healthy, and focused on their studies. Whether at school, college, or an online learning space, following safety guidelines helps prevent accidents and promotes well-being. Key aspects of student health and safety. 1. Classroom safety. Keep walkways clear, avoid running indoors, and handle school equipment responsibly. 2. Online safety. Protect personal information, avoid suspicious links, and report cyberbullying. 3. Health and hygiene. Wash hands regularly, maintain good posture while studying, and take breaks to reduce screen fatigue. 4. Emergency preparedness. Know emergency exits, follow safety drills, and be aware of first aid procedures. 5. Mental well-being. Manage stress, get enough sleep, and talk to someone if feeling overwhelmed. By following these health and safety measures, students can create a safe and supportive learning environment for themselves and their peers.